So she got her iPhone. So how happy you are na? You paste to me and then you do like this to your iPhone.
You trace them.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Lovely.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Guys, welcome to Hong Kong again. I'm with my friend. Hello. Ngayon, we're looking for iPhone. Mayaman tong kasama ko ngayon. Pwedeng hold up pen.
It's just that
We cannot find.
because it is. Oh, there's nila dito.
Oh, okay. We're looking for iPhone and now we're looking for the luggage. Okay.
290.
Yeah, this one PP material, no plastic. Plastic. Oh, 35 kilo.
35. Gusto mo yung ganyang kulay talaga,
How
friend?
many inches?
28 inches. Yeah. This one very good.
This one is hard to break the because the last time
No, the wheel.
the wheels is strong,
Oh, strong. You see, this one no easy.
lightweight.
Yeah.
It's not, ano tawag doon, hindi siya malutong.
Oh. Because the last time I go home, you know the wheel of my one broke.
Very important to me. Wheel also.
Yeah.
Anything to put inside that quite heavy.
This one, the one no easy to look at. The wheel silent. You try.
So, wheel. Do you have a 26 inches?
20 inches. I have
26.
26. Yeah.
This one. Oh, it's a
Oh, yeah. It's more better. Which one?
More 20, 26, 28. This one ako. Set.
para kasi yung pag nilagay ko sa bed.
Oh.
Ilalim ng bed ko, pwede mo siya i-store.
Okay. This one double zip as well, right?
Yeah, tapo sip, you see.
Oh.
Tapo. No single. Yeah.
And then can expand?
Yeah.
Is it?
Expandable.
It's better lah.
This
Yeah.
one no easy to look at. Hi, can I find out?
Ano?
The view silent. We tried it. There. How much? Which one?
Which
This one? 390.
This one,
This one 290.
100 difference.
Yeah, this one tipan mo, tipan tayo.
The wheel not good, ah?
Oo, marupok yan, friend.
Wheel.
Parang bilis mag-crack.
Hello.
Indian food? Ba't tinuturo mo doon? Tao. Tao ka rin, friend?
Saan ba yung dating kinainan natin?
2 hours later.
128.
Yeah,
Okay.
128 many already na.
The story is have internal that one.
Huh?
Can put memory as well.
Cannot.
Cannot?
iPhone cannot put memory. You first time buy iPhone
Yeah.
SIM card,
First time.
No. SIM card of course
Yes,
can.
SIM card.
Memory is that
I said
different.
memory.
Memory cannot.
She's confused as well.
Ay.
First time.
First time. So I
Always using.
want to dual SIM card, right?
You can put 2 SIM card.
Yes. That's
And then
this
now
open line.
open now you put any SIM card okay. But now promotion you can upgrade the warranty. Now it's 1 year warranty, but you can upgrade for 2 more years, total 3 year warranty. Including the screen broken or the something external also could including. Just pay 1,503 more.
Parang ako din bayad din.
So total is 3 year warranty.
Oh.
Yeah.
Mine is 2 years in the Samsung
How
year.
much is it?
Now total together is
10,000.
10,902. But you get 3 year warranty.
No need na.
If this one cannot repair, we will give you the new one.
What?
係咩 ？For 3 years?
Free year 咯。
No need lah. I have no money. Enough for 9.
Okay. Do you want to buy a case and protector? 138. Case and protector 138.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Parang nananakot ka, kuya.
Last ng boss.
14 Pro Max. Yeah, what Pro 56 we have stock. But are you a Fortress member?
No.
We only for Fortress member.
How can I?
Old member, not new member. You need to become a member before September 1st. If you try a member, cannot buy today.
For now. iPhone make you poor.
You use an iPhone, I would suggest you try a 5G level. Because you will more faster.
Really?
If you still use your son, it's okay, but really slow. So you waste your phone.
But my son is 5G already.
Also, it's slow.
I'm sure you.
Wow!
Wow, so nice. I love the colors. Video?
Unboxing, ama.
If like this, maybe we ask our office. Yes, we ask. But if you want refund out of maybe 1 2 months. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Parang ayoko nang gamitin.
You just keep low.
It seems I don't like to use it anymore. Very serious?
Nakikinig kasi siya.
Wala na yata akong pambaho.
Oh, wala na. Magpapapeso ka pa.
Yes. Kaya nga, tingnan ko muna magkano natira, magpapapeso na. Oh, what is happening?
Yung hangin ng ano. Protector.
I don't know the word, but don't understand it. But I know you don't accept and maybe you can send your case to our office. Yes. And maybe you can pop up.
Can I see the battery?
Because the limitation for my father because of the visa one of the government voucher. That's why cannot cash to the that's why can just we can the this way then we with attendance
to keep it rolling. There's no time to be wasting. I'd just rather move it along. Couple feet but in different waters. I need space more than orders. I'd just rather move it along. I know how you're feeling, 'cause sometimes I do tight. Not tonight. You're gonna hear me. Gonna dance it off goodbye. My love, can we drop this? Our time can't pass us by. This bond makes us stronger just to be together. All I wanna do is crash now when you're I know that I am getting better. We know that we can get crazy when some things seem hazy. I know that I am getting better. I know how you're feeling.